Right. As I talk to you now, I am in Harare, Zimbabwe, this country led by the president Idi Mnangagwa, President Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. So the Zimbabwean government have developed a new model when it comes to border operations or border management. The government of Zimbabwe, or let me say, the president of Zimbabwe, came up with a new vision to modernize each and every border post in Zimbabwe. To modernize each and every border post in Zimbabwe. So I'm talking about modernization strategy, modernization program by the Zimbabwe government, by the Zimbabwean president, Dr. Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. As you know, in Zimbabwe, this country in Southern Africa has got neighbors on each and every side. Zimbabwe and South Africa, Zimbabwe and Botswana, Zimbabwe and Zambia, Zimbabwe and Mozambique. So Zimbabwe shares a border with South Africa in the south direction. Zimbabwe shares a border with Zambia in the north direction. Zimbabwe shares a border with Botswana in the west direction. And Zimbabwe shares a border with Mozambique in the east direction. So Zimbabwe and Mozambique in the east, Zimbabwe and Zambia in the north, Zimbabwe and South Africa in the south, Zimbabwe and Zambia, sorry, Zimbabwe and Botswana in the west. So these are the border posts for Zimbabwe. So the president, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, has got a vision to modernize each and every border post. Of course, there's some other smaller border posts. For example, Victoria Falls border post. For example, Chirundu border post. For example, again, Chidodo border post. So there are many border posts in Zimbabwe or for Zimbabwe to the total tune of 14 borders, 14 border posts that are in Zimbabwe or that we have in Zimbabwe. So the president and his government, the current administration, President Dr. Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, has got a vision to modernize. As I talk about this in this video, I wanted to mark this word, modernize, modernize, modernize. So you want to modernize each and every border post, each and every border crossing that we have in Zimbabwe. The border post with South Africa, border post with the Botswana, border post with Zambia, border post with Mozambique, Chirundu border post, Victoria Falls border post, Chidodo border post, and others that we have in Zimbabwe. Right. And part of this modernization work, it involves things like, or elements like, the upgrading of the infrastructure at that border post, upgrading of the infrastructure at each and every border post. Number two, the digitization of the customs, digitization of customs. Point number three, digitization of the immigration system, digitization of the whole immigration system. Then, point number four, I can say having improved communication between the border agencies, between the border posts. For example, communication between Victoria Falls border post and Chirundu border post, or Chirundu border post and Chidodo border post. So among the border posts, there must be improved communication among the border posts. Point number five, I can say improved coordination among the border agencies, improved coordination among the border posts themselves. Bedbridge border post and Victoria Falls border post, Victoria Falls border post, and maybe Chirundu border post. So these are some of the elements, these are some of the things that are currently being worked out, currently being done, currently being undertaken as far as modernization of each and every border post is concerned by the president, Dr. Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, in Zimbabwe, to modernize each and every border post. And like I said, some of the work involves upgrading of infrastructure, improved coordination among the border agencies, improved communication among the border agencies, digitization of the whole immigration system, digitization of digitization of the customs themselves. So all this is work that is to be done, or that is being done right now as I talk to you, by the Zimbabwe government, by the Zimbabwe president, Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, to see at the end of the day the border posts, the border crossings being modernized. Remember, he has got a Vision 2030, or he has been preaching the gospel of Vision 2030 agenda. So these border posts are also part of the broader work that is doing as a president, as a top leader of this country, Zimbabwe, modernizing each and every border post. I don't know how many times I've been repeating these words: modernizing border posts, modernizing border posts. I don't know how many times, because this is the whole crux of this video, or in this video, that the president, Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, is working on this issue to modernize each and every border post in Zimbabwe. Out of all the 14 border posts that we have, this is what he's doing. Okay, what are comments on this video? What are thoughts on what I've said in this video, or what I've described or explained or narrated in this video? What do you say? What are opinions or views on this issue about modernizing every border post, the work that the president is doing with this current administration or current government in Zimbabwe? What do you say about it? What do you think? Do you support or you are against it? What do you say? Write everything, all your comments in comment section. I'm done talking. I'm going out. I'm going out. I'm signing out. Sharp.